guys, what's up? It's Naomi the Crafty Savage here, and I'm back with the unbagging. This unbagging comes from Etsy, from Excuse Me Designs. It is one of my favorite places to get putty. If you guys don't know, I am a putty girl. I love putty in my multi-placer, and Excuse Me Designs is the putty that I will use in my single placer. Let me just quickly get that out. Anything else in there? We are empty, but look at that cute little like watermelon bag. Isn't that freaking adorable? We got a little octopus sticker. You know how I love my stickers. Oh, but there's another sticker. Stay cool. They must have known. They seen my address. They are like, that girl is in Florida. She needs an ice cream cone to stay cool. I love it, love it, love it. But let's see what I got. So I do follow them on Facebook, and they had made a post where it was like an overstock. And there was also this like 1-day sale, but you had to be a Facebook, member to know about that sale. So I, hopped on over there. I got me a couple different scents here. Let's get into it. What I love is they're in these little containers, right? You just gotta love it. Like, look on the bottom, it's got her Excuse Me design over on Etsy. This one is blue raspberry slushy. This one was $5.25. I don't think this was hold on. It smells like a blue slushy too. That makes me want to go to 7-Eleven and get a blue Slurpee. Ooh, that smells good. This one, Cocktails by the Pool, was their 1-day sale, and they had asked, how I heard about the products. Obviously, Facebook, but I found them on Etsy probably almost like 2 years ago. So this one is Cocktails by the Pool. It's got like a nice, fresh, like beachy smell to it. But yes, these I love for the single placers. This one is Jamaica Me Crazy. Let's see, was this one a this one was just a regular one, $5.25. It's got kind of got like a almost like a citrusy smell, and there's something else, like I don't know if it's like, it's got more of a citrusy smell, but there's also a like almost like a little bit like of a woodsy little hint to it. Let's see, Banana Cream Pie. This was their 1-day sale as well. Let's see, you got the little sticker, Banana Cream Pie. You got your little tack, right? Let me see. Banana Cream Pie. That one is a good one, guys. So let me tell you, like, ooh, that smells good. Now I don't know which one I want to use. This one, I saw this one. This one was their overstock. This one was their overstock. That was $5. And this one is Fruity Pebbles. I used to love Fruity Pebbles as a kid. This one doesn't have the sticker on the back of it. Maybe it was something new she started doing. I know. Like I said, she's, some of these she had found and overstock that she had made, so she listed them on the site. Let's see, does it smell like Fruity Pebbles? Oh my gosh, good night. Get me a bowl and some milk, and I'm just gonna go to town. It reminds me of the Fruity Pebbles smell, like kind of like Fruity Pebbles and Tricks. Like, oh, good night. So for 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 of these scented putty tacks. I paid, I'm not sure how much I paid, 5, 10, 15, 20, 25. Maybe like 25, and then probably with like shipping and tax, probably like around 30 bucks, which is not bad because this stuff lasts a long time. I have a lot of their, you know, tack that I still have that lasts a long time. I'm just, you know, a nut job that likes to have all the scents, right? All the scents, give them to me all. But with that said, guys, I'm gonna hop on out of here. If you liked what you saw, I will make sure to leave Excuse Me Design link down in the description box. And also, if you're new to the channel, don't forget to hit that subscribe button. Ring that notification bell. Don't forget to give the video a thumbs up. And I'll see you next time, guys.